Chaplets got the word for fitness. It's absurd to think one size fits all. That's a myth, stand tall. Don't let the pressure get you down. Find your groove, move around. Yoga, Pilates, walks in the park. It's all a healthy spark. Listen to your body, it's your guide. Choose what makes you feel inside. A little bit of movement each day keeps the blues away. Vigorous or moderate, it's up to you. Your goals come true. Don't burn yourself out, take it slow. Let your fitness grow. Football with friends, a netball game. Your speed will start to claim new heights, new limits. You'll see the power of activity. But don't forget, a mix is key. Moderate and rigorous, you'll agree. A balanced approach, that's the way to feel your best every day. Listen to your body, it's your guide. Choose what makes you feel inside. A little bit of movement each day keeps the blues away. Vigorous or moderate, it's up to you. Your goals come true. Don't burn yourself out, take it slow. Let your fitness grow. So listen to Coach Chaplet's advice. Embrace the journey, don't be nice to your excuses. Find your fire, let your fitness rise higher. Listen to your body, it's your guide. Choose what makes you feel inside. A little bit of movement each day keeps the blues away. Vigorous or moderate, it's up to you. Your goals come true. Don't burn yourself out, take it slow. Let your fitness grow. Foot chaplets on your team, helping you achieve your dream. A healthy lifestyle, it's a gift. So grab it and take a swift step towards a better you. With exercise, it's true.
Yo, it's Coach Chaplet, stepping on the scene, got the fire burning, ready to make you lean. Tired of feeling sluggish, that lack of energy. Time to unleash your potential, feel the synergy. It's not just about the gym, the sweat, the grind. It's about the whole package, the mind and the kind of fuel you put in. The choices you make with Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll never break. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact. But what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being. Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing with joy and energy as you reach your goals. From the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Diets, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from balance, no surprise. Nourish your body with wholesome delight. Fruits, veggies, lean protein, shining bright. Hydrate your system, keep those fluids flowing. With Coach Chaplet's wisdom, your body's glowing. Listen to your body, it's a symphony of strength. Fuel it wisely, it'll reward you at length. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact. But what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being. Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing with joy and energy as you reach your goals. From the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Let's make a change, together we'll conquer. No more rearrange, embrace the journey. The sweat, the pain, you'll emerge stronger. A new you to get. Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll never be lost. In the world of fitness, you'll pay the cost of a healthier, happier you. It's worth the fight. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll shine so bright. Workouts are crucial, that's a given fact. But what you eat matters, it's a crucial pact. With your body, your health, your overall well-being. Coach Chaplet's here to guide you, make you sing with joy and energy as you reach your goals. From the gym to the kitchen, we conquer all roles. Transform your body, mind, and soul. With Coach Chaplet's support, you'll take control. Coach Chaplet, leading the way to a healthier, happier you every day. dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower.